Hi, good morning, Face. Good morning, good afternoon, Facebookers. How you guys doing in the Merry Makaya? Checking in. I'm on LIVE live. Oh, you're checking in the Merry Makaya? What happened to everyone, everybody? Hello, one, hello, all. It's my birthday coming up. It's my birthday weekend. And I can't wait to have a blast. And like the sunshine on the outside today in the 81 degrees. Wow. We can go outside Sunday. But wait, everybody gonna sleep. No one here, no one there, no one anywhere. Alio. I was just saying, it's my birthday weekend. Coming up Sunday. I'll be 1 foot away from the 50. And I'll be living it up in the Merry Maca. Yes, I'll be living it up. I've got all my decorations put together. I'm not cooking. Yes, I will be celebrating. One step into the 50 shoe. Not yet 50, but one step away from the 50 shoe. What are we a cost of living? Playing violin in the sky. Food is so expensive nowadays. Is it because of the corona price? Boy, this America na joke. Food sky higher play violin. $100 can hardly buy anything nowadays. Moreover, these workplaces are corona pay them again now. Because through them know so they can't get any. Everybody if you come do the job, them want you leave a job. Yes. When my daughter call me, now me decline her calling. She no stop calling. She no stop call and ring off my phone. Yes, as I was saying about the sky high prices, the hike in the prices with food. Cost of living is getting out of control. And then some people are not working. The amount of people who are not working. And then some jobs that people look down on. They wouldn't mind if they get it right now. They wouldn't mind if they get a job right now, because even if a job appear, they pay $100 a week. They would rather take it. They'd rather take the $100 job a week. No, this goes to show that when you're doing certain job and people looking down on you, right now, you hear some people, oh, I wouldn't work in the supermarket. If a supermarket job appear them, now them gone. Oh, I wouldn't clean the floor. If cleaning job appear, now them gone. This goes to show you that every job is valuable now and essential now. Essential workers, the spotlight is on them now. People look down on them, but they are the one who are doing the job that we put food on our have food to put on our table. Because if the essential workers don't go out there to pick the crop, to pack the goods in the storehouse, we won't have food to eat. So we have to big up all the essential workers. Hats off to you. No job should take for granted. Even the man who sweep the street, his job is valuable now. Some wouldn't, who are not working wouldn't mind and get a street for sweep right now. Forget $1. That's how it is now. And as this country take its time and reopens, we will never be the same again. Never be the same. This disease has caused family split, family separation. And the reason why I'm saying this is, could you imagine your husband working a nursing home or even the hospital? You work as an essential worker. You're going to be scared every day from your husband because you don't want him carry the illness come give you. That's how it is. Family separation and quarantine. Could you imagine you're keeping a birthday party and you can't have no guests? You can't have any guests at your birthday, hi Peter? You can't have any guests at your birthday party. Last Sunday, we had a birthday party here on the road. And we had a few guests. Everybody stay a distance. On the road, everybody stay a distance. So everybody 6 feet apart from each other, even more. And just stand looking and singing from a distance, happy birthday to you. No one came close. You put the drinks, because we only had 4 chairs outside, 4. And no one came and sat on the chairs. And we had the drinks on the table. Someone will just come and pick up our drinks and they go back to their respective position on the street. That's how party is, quarantine party. And then the cars would drive past and you have the sign, honk, honk, it's my birthday. And then the car would make an honk. And if somebody have a car to give you, they will stretch it from their car and give you. I've never seen such a thing as this. I've never seen such a thing as this. This is strange. Yeah. So we have to value those people who are working tirelessly overtime and overnight just for us to have food on our table. And for those who are working, even if the money is not enough right now, we still have to give God thanks because it could be worse. The amount of people who are not working now is more than what John read about. So we are still grateful. And some file for unemployment, don't even get it yet. Some don't even know where the next meal is coming from. And with the little that we have to cut and spare and cut and spare. Limitless. Can't buy everything that we so desire. You know, this causes stress and depression on family. Could you imagine a whole family not working? You still have to face with the bills. The bills, they won't go away. They're still coming. And if you don't pay it this month, you don't pay it next month, it's still a heap up. And when it heap up and you start work, and the first paycheck, all of it goes to bill. The second paycheck, all of it goes to bill. The third paycheck, all of it goes to bill. And you can't even buy food. That's how life is right now. So, in spite of it all, we still have to give God the honor and the praise and the glory. I'm looking forward to my birthday. And one of the reasons I'm looking forward to my birthday is that many people have died and gone. They didn't even get to celebrate one more year. And if God spared my life that I see one more year of birthday celebration, I am grateful and I'm honored to be alive. My co-worker lost her life. That's why we have to check up on people all the time. Check on them all the time. We just have them contact in our phone sitting down. In this time, people, we need one another. No man is an island. No man stand alone. We need each other. I didn't get a chance to call her. She passed away. I did not even get to say goodbye. I then called the number, her number. No one answers. I remember my few words to her. She said to me, I'm a social worker. And I said to her, you're the eldest among us. Hats off to you. And that was my last words to her. I said, Miss Beverly, hats off to you. She was a respectable lady, very nice, humble. But she passed away. God knows best. We just have to give thanks every day for life, because that is most important. Life, we have life. And once we have life, there is hope. We can do all things through Christ which strengtheneth us. And a big shout out to all those graduating, quarantine, graduation. I have to big up my friend here, Vanya. She's graduating on the 20th in front of a laptop. This year, everything get real because their classes their time was shortened, but their dreams was not. So for all those who graduated with honors and without honors, I salute you at this time. Big up yourself. My daughter graduating this May, the first time from college, going back in the fall to do her bachelor's. And the first college graduation, she's not going to get to walk. Hats off to her as well. I applaud her for her tireless work to reach that milestone that she so desires, and to come out on top with grades that are A's and B's, majority A's. I'm proud. I'm a proud mother. Proud mother of my little graduate. Proud mother. Big up yourself, Nisi. You take charge. Congratulations are in honor for all those who graduated and didn't get to walk. So I'm going to run now. So I catch you guys later. And the later will be greater. So here I have all my decorations. I'm going to deck the balcony tomorrow night. God's willing. So I'll be living it up. I'm not going to dress up. I'm just going to be in a little lousy t-shirt. Quarantine birthday. So I'm not dress up birthday like them other fancy birthday. It's just a quarantine birthday that will be remembered. So I'll be able to spread the news to all my grandchildren and said, yes, my 49th birthday, I didn't get to celebrate it the way I wanted to. It was a quarantine birthday. Not a fussy one, quarantine birthday. Because you can't have guests. So I'm just gonna, in a little lousy t-shirt, to take some pictures that I can look back years to come and say, this was the year when shit got real. Excuse me, French. So that's how it goes. Lizzie, Alicia, Charmaine, hello to the hello. Well, the Merrimaca hot today. It's gonna be 81 in the America. Not the America, the Merrimaca. The Merrimaca is hot today. So me just a chill out. Me don't walk. Me done. Me do me 4 hours. And me done. Me cut. So me go get a nap asleep. So later me a touch base with you know. Or me not sure. I don't want to make a promise. I don't want to make you any promise. So the big day is Sunday. I want you guys all in here to join me on Sunday in birthday celebration because you're going to be a part of it. I'm trying to fix my tablet. It won't get to the Wi-Fi. So I can have some music because you, as Jamaican, we like liveliness. Lively. Yeah, liveliness. The Wi-Fi won't connect to it. I don't know why. So in the Merrimaca, yeah, I'll be living it up in the Merrimaca. Douglas Marley. Me put on my glasses to pronounce the name here. Arbona. Arbona. Oh, Arbona. I know who that is. My schoolmate. I remember you. Wow. Congratulations to my niece. Addition to the family. So it's bye for now. Until then, Sunday. If I don't come back on air later, or Saturday night, Sunday. Thank you all. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.